Hello, welcome back. This is DS Spice and I am a manifestation expert. Today I'm going to talk about a technique which is called as a Tesla code, but I would like to prefer it as a 369 technique because I believe in magic. Okay, in my initial videos, I would have mentioned that there are certain magical numbers, correct? Like magical numbers could be any numbers that appear in pairs. And if you have seen in some of my previous, I think initial videos, I would have mentioned it. So this technique, right? It makes use of the 369, these numbers. Okay, let's deep dive into it and find out what is this 369 technique. But before that, prerequisite. What I would like to tell you is that what you attract is what you are. Okay, so let's say, for example, the universe, right? It only understands your feelings. It doesn't understand the numbers, the wealth, the money, or whatever it is. Like it doesn't. It doesn't relate to all these material things. It only relates to the feelings. So, what feelings you have when you are doing a certain task, when you are at your day-to-day job, what feelings you have is what you attract. Okay, if you are comfortable with something, comfortable with somebody, that's what you attract. Got it? Okay, now I think you know all these things before if you have seen any of my previous videos. So let's deep dive into the 369 technique, and it's scientifically known as Tesla code, but we do not want to talk about science here. So 369 technique. So the step one in this is to think about your manifestation. As usual, think about what exactly you want to achieve. Like what exactly is your manifestation? Just think once. Okay, think about it. Step one. Done. Okay, step two, you write this. Okay, the thing is, like with me, writing comes naturally. Like I'm an author, right? So I like to write. So with you, like because you people are also talented in multiple ways, so maybe like you like to read aloud or maybe meditate. Some people like to meditate, but for me I think writing works because there is a mind, heart and action. Okay, there's a connection, so I find that effective. So what are you supposed to write? And write it with full feelings. Okay, because the universe, I told you, the universe only understands your feelings. Okay, and you attract. Okay, so write this. I'll just put it up as a note for you later. Okay, so you write like this. Write, thank you, universe, for helping me experience happiness and satisfaction through the dash. Dash is what you have thought about it in step one, your manifestation. So when you write this, right, don't write it mechanically, or when you're reading it aloud, or when you're meditating the sentence, right, don't do it mechanically. Like you feel it, you feel that, you experience that happiness, the depth, the happiness that you are feeling when that manifestation is right in front of you. Let's say your manifestation is probably some kind of a house, some kind of a job, some kind of a person, some kind of a pet, anything. If that is the, like, what kind of experience will you have when that particular thing is right in front of you? So what feelings you get, bring it out when you write. Okay guys, I give the option for you to write it, or you can read aloud or meditate. Okay, that's up to you, or depending on what you are comfortable with. Now we talked about 369. So why did we do that? Because you need to do it 3 times in the morning. You need to write this sentence with full feelings 3 times in the morning, 6 times during your day, and 9 times just before you go to sleep. Got it? So 3 times as you get up in the morning. When you get up in the morning, write it down 3 times. Thank you, universe, for helping me experience happiness and satisfaction through the dash. Okay, so you can modify the sentence depending on what you like. I like to keep it simple. So I experience happiness. So when I do my writing work, or when I share things about law of attraction, and I'm extremely happy. So I like to write. So I just write. I mean, this is a very simple thing, but you can modify the sentence. So, okay, the sentence could be like, you could write, I experience abundance, joy, anything. So for me, I would just write like this. Write, thank you, universe, for helping me experience happiness and satisfaction through the dash. Okay, and then as soon as I get up in the morning, I write it down 3 times. I mean, it shouldn't be okay. 3 times I write, right? Then during the day, 6 times. That means it's not like once I write 1 hour before and after 1 hour. No, 6 times at a stretch. Okay, and then 9 times just before you go to sleep. So I say this because of the 3, 6, 9. These are the magical numbers, and you got to do this consistently for a period of 33 days. Now there are also 3, I told you, it's a magical number again. So you got to do this particular technique, 369 technique, 33 days. That is also magical. Okay, so don't skip any day. Just do this like for 33 days, and the manifestation will arrive. For most of us, the manifestation will arrive even before the end of these 33 days. But you got to do it. You got to believe, and you got to put all your trust in the universe. Got it? Okay, so do this for 33 days, and then once you do it, you just set it and let it go. So for most of us, the manifestation comes within the 33 days, or maybe on the 33rd day. Okay, so once it's done, you let go of it and move on. Okay, and then if you want to do it, bring in a different cycle, then you can start again with a different manifestation. You don't need to do the same thing, because you don't need to remind the universe over and over again that you want something, you want this, you want this. You just set it and let go. Okay, so guys, this is the 369 technique, and be positive. You attract what you are. If you enjoy something, keep doing it. Okay, and follow this 369 technique for a period of 33 days, and that's it. Then you can go about whatever you want to do, or maybe you can start about a new 33-day cycle with this 369 technique. It's I completely leave it to you, but do this consistently for 33 days, and then you see how you bring the manifestation attracting towards you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.